Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to change name in Google Chat. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. First of all, go to your mobile interface, then open the Google Chat app. Here you can see my Google Chat. Open the app. Go to your profile section in the top right corner. Now click Manage your Google account. Go to the Personal Info tab. Now you can see there's a name option available here. Click on the name option. Here you can see the name section. You can change your name from here. Click on this pencil icon and you can edit your name from here and change it. And after changing name, you can save the name by clicking the save option. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.